Today's Subhashita. Please repeat after me. Guru Laghava Marthanam Arambhe Karmanam Phalam Dosham va yo na janati Sabala iti hyocyate. When some work is undertaken, one should, in the beginning itself, estimate the pros and cons and the ups and downs involved in it. One who fails to do so deserves to be called stupid.
ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸುವಾಗ ಫಲದ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆಗಳನ್ನು ಗುಣದೋಷಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾವನು ವಿಮರ್ಶಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೋ ಅವನು ಮೂಢನೆನಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ.